A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Oh, late start, look. Yeah, emails. Look at this stack of mags, look, books, whatever you call them, old manuals. I just had a bit of a sort out. I tell you what I was doing. I did that montage time lapse of the mini build, and I noticed how much my workshop has changed, and I felt that it looked so much better when I had less stuff in it. So I'm going, right, I'm having a clear out, and I must admit I don't look or use these anymore, so I'm going to whack these on eBay, I think. See if I can make some more funds up. What am I going to do this morning? I am actually going to take the cover off the Bedford CF drag racing boogie van engine and have a look again at that. So get back into Motor Mornings. What are you guys up to? And more importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm only watching Classic Mini Workshop, aren't I?
Hey Mini enthusiast, how are you doing? I hope you're well.
I love the turnaround shot. Oh.
I've hurt my thumb. Bit of an accident with the grinder. But it's okay. It's only a flesh wound. I think I'll live. A bit of a plaster.
I love the turnaround at the beginning. That's like proper American stuff. Go, hi.
In today's episode, we're going to start building up the front subframe. So...
Morning, gentlemen. Morning. It's Wednesday. We're almost over the hump. No, I'm not late into the workshop this morning. I have been shooting a video midweek update for our patrons, sponsors and teammates, so they know where we are, which is really nice. See, I've just been going around the car, just giving them a quick explanation of where we are. Ooh, look at those. Basically the same as those. I'm trying to buy all the same wheels, basically. You've got to have, often you hit stuff and you ding them and all sorts of stuff. And if tyres wear out, what I don't want is a mismatch of 10-inch rims. So I think this now means I've got 8 of these, which is good. So it gives me at least 2 sets. Every time I place a mini spares order, I'll probably at least buy 1 more. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. What are you up to? Hey, hang on. I'm not ready with my YouTube. This is no good, is it? Watching me dance videos. Not dance videos, you know what I mean. My trance music yesterday. Let's go. How do I do this? Let's go. Subscriptions. I've seen Benny's custom work. Probably be doing that later on. Anyway, can you hear that? It's raining. Never rains on the Isle of Wight. No. Oh, yeah, we are. Epic workout, anyone? Come on. DIY auto school, that's always good. It's not actually. I've gone off in a big way. Classic Mini DIY. I'm selling the supercharger. No, I'm not allowed to run that in the class that I'm running in. May.
Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and on today's episode, I'm going to be tackling a subject that I have been dreading talking about on the channel, and that is why I'm selling my supercharger.
No! Good morning, everyone. It's Motor Monday. No, it's not. Good morning, chaps. Good morning. Welcome back to Motor Mornings. Oh, dear. Wow. I'm back on the Bedford, but I'm not actually going to do anything. Through the post, I got myself my sump gasket. That's the crank seals. Got those ones, they're like half moon ones. And I've got those ones which are like the rope type ones, which I know I've got to grease up. And I've also got these ones which are going to go into the some sort of covers. Anyway, so my plan for this morning, excuse me, is I'm actually going to sit on my sofa and read my Bedford CF Haynes manual, just to make sure that I'm going to put those seals back as they're supposed to be done. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. What are you up to? And more importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? Classic Mini Workshop. I wonder if Keith does the old hi, do a little turnaround. Come on. Turn around for the camera for me. Hi, I'm Keith Miller. You might recognise me from...
Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day.
I am so far, Keith.
So we're going to fit the subframe back in Project TARDIS.
Right.
We're just going to fit a few bits.
Enjoy your day.
We're not quite going to get to the...
Good morning, everyone. It's Motor Mornings and it's for Friday. Oh, fantastic. Right, what am I up to this morning? So I've done my research, and the main bit of research was all about quite old school technology, but this one has a rope seal in it. Look. So she's basically that there. And that needs, it looks like that needs rolling in and then cutting off at exactly the right height here. So you can't have it flush. Well, actually, it feels a little bit proud there, which is good. So yeah, you can't have it flush. It's got to be, I'm going to have to look at my book again, but it's got to be like a tiny amount sticking up on each side. Same on the other end, I think, on the other cap. So that when you put the crank back in and torque it down, you know that it's actually going to do its job and seal the end of the crank. Too proud, and it will bind up and do all sorts of damage, I guess. And yeah, not enough, and it won't seal. So, but the trick is actually rolling it in to make sure it's seated properly on both ends. So whether I'll complete that this morning, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to look into it and have a go anyway. So that's what I'm up to this morning. What are you up to this morning? And more importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? Stevens, I can never remember how to pronounce it. It's a weird name, isn't it? People struggle with Gentleman's Motor Racing Team, but it's Steve-O's Moto Company, isn't it? Or Moto Co. I do like their videos, they're always a little bit artistic. Yeah, look at that. Enjoy your day.